So this morning I'm gonna cook me some good old fried potatoes, and I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it. So the first thing I did was just sliced up my potatoes. Now I'm gonna take some of this right here. This is canola oil, and I'm gonna put it in my frying pan. I'm gonna let that heat up for a second. I'm gonna get all my seasonings ready. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little salt, a little onion powder, a little garlic, and I'm gonna put them in my pan. So you're definitely going to want to keep your eye on your potatoes. Watch them. Don't let them burn. Don't let them get too crispy. But you want to cook them until they're completely done. And it's good for them to be a little bit brown, you know. So my potatoes are starting to look good. They're kind of lightly golden, but they're not exactly done yet. I want them to look about like that. But if I cooked any longer than that, they would probably end up burning or getting too dark, and I don't really want that. So just basically turning all the little pieces over so they can cook evenly on each side. And then I'm going to be throwing some eggs up in here. In the same oil, I'm going to make me some fried eggs. And let me tell you, if I had some beans right now, this would be a heavenly breakfast, but I ain't got no beans, so this will have to do for now. I went ahead and threw my eggs in there. I don't know why, but that little sound is just funny to me. A little nostalgic too. Oh, I don't like no runny eggs, so I'm trying to get all that good and cooked down there. And then I'm going to flip them. And then, you know me, I'm going to smush them. I went ahead and took my potatoes out because they were starting to look perfect. Got my eggs still going. They're almost done. So there you have it. That's what I'm having for breakfast. Some fried potatoes and fried eggs. And let me tell you, my potatoes are delicious. Perfect.